It's time for laughs, it's time for fun, it's time to learn for everyone at Nana's Cooking Craft Corner.
Hello and welcome back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. And on this video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, I call it Cherry Almond Delight. So let's get started. Alright, so first of all, I started out with 2 boxes of instant vanilla pudding. Doesn't matter what brand, but I happen to like Jell-O. And just follow the ingredients on the Jell-O package. It's pretty simple. Then I'm going to take it, it's right here, it's all ready for to go. And I got Cool Whip. I like Cool Whip, but again, it could be any whipped topping, but you like something more sturdy. So I'm going to just scoot in. I'll give you all the ingredients listed down below later on in the show more section. Right now, I'm just going to show you what I take out. We're not going to give you the whole, I'm not going to use the whole box of the Cool Whip, but for a container. And almost all, but just we'll leave a little bit in there. And I'm going to mix this up together. If you haven't tried this recipe, it's delicious. Now I've seen it somewhere before, but I don't know what, I've added things and I don't know what it was called, so I'm calling this Cherry Almond Delight. And believe me, it is delightful. When you have a piece of this, it's kind of like having cherry cheesecake, when you're lighter tasting than a cheesecake. I'm going to make sure that I mix it really good because the pudding's all on the bottom. Make sure it's got like, it should come out like a yellow color when it's really ready. Alright. Now you could have put, if you want, you can use a little less whipped cream. But, like a Cool Whip. But, you know, make it more richer tasting for the pudding. And I'm going to do it like this. I don't mind the taste of whipped cream, but again, you could use a little less than that. So it'll taste stronger. The pudding will taste a lot stronger. There, I think I got it mixed up. Nice. Okay, so we're going to make this like a lasagna. Okay, so I'm going to move my pan over here. And we're going to have some graham cracker crumbs, or graham crackers, sorry, not crumbs. We're going to open this up. Alright, so some of them break, but that's okay. Oops, there we go. We're just going to layer it like a lasagna, like I said. We'll take the bigger pieces first to one side. And the liquid is going to kind of suck up the crackers and make it soft. Like I said, be very similar to having a cheesecake, and it is really, I recommend this. It's such a good dessert to have. Very good. And we'll just set in the broken pieces at the ends, like so. There we go. And then I'm gonna put that out of the way. We just break it up a little bit so it fits a little better in here. I can break this up a bit better. It all has a spot everywhere. It's all filled with graham crackers. And then we're going to take half of this. There, if you can see all that good. And half of this is going to go over top of that. Looks about half. Spread that all over. Okay, make sure the crackers stay on the bottom. This is a little rough because it's moving, but all over. Because when you cut it, you want some of the graham crackers on all of it. And that's what keeps it kind of together when you go to cut it. Now, I'm going to tell you this much. I put this in the fridge, and it should be a good day. You should leave it over. But 8 hours at the least, because it does need to form. So it's kind of a recipe. You probably, if you did it way early in the morning, it'd be fine. But I kind of recommend doing it the day before. And then it's going to be nice and firm by the next day. That. There, that looks good. It's nice and smooth all together. Maybe a touch more in the corners. And then I'm going to do the same thing again. Open up the crackers. And I'm going to go the opposite way with the full crackers. So we get more of a support. I think I'm going to need the other pack of crackers somewhere on my counter. I'm gonna have to get that. So anyways, the size of pan I'm using is 9.5 by 11. So it's quite a bit, a lot of dessert. This could fill quite a few people. I guess, you know, I never really took the time to know exactly how much, but it's quite a big recipe here for have as a party or bring to a shower, or yeah, like a wedding shower, or you know, some kind of function. It's a nice gift to bring for parties. I use it for baby shower and wedding showers. I brought this too. Okay, now I'm going to put the rest of it. Oh, I forgot one thing, but I'm going to do it on this layer. I should have put a little bit of almonds, but I'm going to do it on this layer because I want that crunchiness, a little bit of crunchiness in the middle. So I'll put the rest of it all in here. So yeah. And don't waste an ounce of this stuff. It tastes delicious. That's what I always tell my grandkids. It's good stuff, and don't waste anything. Don't leave anything in the bowl. Alright, so spread this one up. I'm just going to move all that stuff out of the way. There we go. And spread this nice. There we go. Oh, look at that. It looks like, you know, it's a slice of heaven, I guess. Or the cloud. It's like so rich. Like, not rich, actually. It's nice and fluffy and it's creamy. It's going to taste really, really awesome. There. I'm just going to move this out of the way here. Here, let's give it to my helper here. There we go. Go ahead, you can lick the spoon if you'd like. It's delicious, right? It's delicious. Okay, and then I'm going to put, I should have put it on both layers where I did the filling, but that's okay. I'll make up for it in this one. Put a whole bunch of sliced almonds. When you bite into this, that nice crunchy texture, oh, it's really good. It tastes good, and the crunchiness adds something. Now, again, if you're allergic to nuts, leave the nuts out. You know? And this is cherry, so I'm going to show you. I'm going to use cherry pie filling on this one, but you don't have to use it. You could put blueberries on the top, you know, whatever you want. Any kind of pie filling. I never really did it with blueberries, but you could. It look just as nice. Anyways, we're going to open the last thing. So it does take a whole box of graham crackers. I got it. Okay, so I'm going to go the opposite way again with the full crackers. I'm going to go this way instead. Just like lasagna, and I'm going to have to make that up soon. I make very good lasagna. I love it. And I'll have to do a film on that one. And my kids like it too. I haven't made lasagna for a while, but because sometimes it's just easier getting the homemade one, like right from the store, but I kind of like mine better in the fact that I use a lot more meats and cheeses than the ones they do now. This is cherries, pie filling, cherry pie filling, and I got 2 cans. I don't know if I'm going to use quite 2, but I got 2 because I want it nice and the taste of cherries, but you could put blueberries would be good. And you know what? I bet you even apples, canned apple pie filling, any of the pie fillings, raspberry would be good on this. Oh, next time I'm going to have to try it with raspberry, but the favorite for the family is cherries. So I'm going to put that, yep. I could have thinned it out, but I like a lot of cherry, so I'm going to use 2 cans for this. See? Oh, it smells delicious. Again, smell-o-vision. It's too bad we don't have that. Of course, my trusty dog's on the side here, as always. When it comes to food, oh, she is not fussy at all. She's sitting really pretty beside me thinking, I'm going to wait and be good and get a little treat, but I'll give her a dog treat, but not this. Nope, not good for dogs. There we go. Almost done. Now, I'm repeating it again, but I'm going to tell you to make sure this is chilled. I'm going to probably chill it till tomorrow. Everybody get some cherries. There we go. Looking good. All right. Put it all in there. There we go. All right. And there you have it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Looks delicious. Anyways, I hope you give me a like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now.